We're at Lorton Library today for a community education event. And along with that, we've also invited Supervisor Stork from the Board of Supervisors to come and deliver our proclamation to proclaim May as National Foster Care Month in Fairfax County.
Therefore, be it resolved that the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, on behalf of all residents, does hereby proclaim May 2025 as National Foster Care Awareness Month in Fairfax County, encourages all residents to recognize the invaluable role of the foster care system, to honor the families and professionals who support vulnerable youth, and to consider how they can contribute to the well-being and future of children in foster care.
Our goal for this May is really to bring awareness to the community. I don't know that everyone knows about foster care and kind of what foster care is or what it means to children and families in the community. So it's really twofold. It's about bringing awareness, but also giving people in the community action steps. If they wanted to be foster parents, if they wanted to support our older youth in foster care, or partner with a community organization. So it's a mixture of a few different things. Our Director of Family Services was here, so that's Dr. Michael Beckett's, and he opened the program for us, followed by Supervisor Stork for the proclamation. And then we were fortunate to have a foster parent here, Mr. Don Brazelton, and he shared his journey with he and his wife in foster care and kind of what that has meant to him over the years.
And so we decided to be that helping hand and give us an opportunity now to bring someone in our home for the first time. So at the end of that short time, and this has continued to resonate with me, and this guy was 16, he's like 6'3". And he said to my wife and I that it's the best time he's had in his life. And it still touches me right now just to say those words. It's the best time I've had in my life. And he was 16.
We also have a community partner, Foster the Family, and so that's an opportunity for community members. Maybe being a foster parent isn't the right time, so it's something else for them to do to support.
And we serve foster, adopted, and kinship families, so we serve all families. But it comes with 2 pairs of clothes, 2 pairs of pajamas, the right hair care items, the right skin care items, water bottle, formula, diapers, wipes, anything that you could think of that you might need to make it through the first 24 to 48 hours. That's our first kind of foot in the door, if you will. We do this with volunteers.
Our goal is really supporting foster care changes lives. So, children enter foster care due to abuse and neglect. And the support that they receive, either from the Department of Family Services, their practitioners, other professionals they work with, their foster parents, other community members, really can change the trajectory of their life. After today's event, we do have one more event in the community. So that is on May 20th at Burke Centre Library. It starts at 7 o'clock. We offer monthly information meetings to anyone that's interested in being a foster parent or just learning about foster care. And those happen on the second Tuesday of every month. And more information is on our website.